Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to write a Bumble bio. Go to launch your Bumble app and then come here, click on profile. At the bottom left, click on your profile icon. And then I want you to click on complete profile. Then we're going to scroll down, okay, until we find bio. So we can write a fun and, punchy intro about ourselves. Can go ahead and write, for example, right? You can write things that will help you find the type of people you want to meet. Okay, you can be specific, or you can do something funny, or tell them about yourself, right? For example, look at this one: 2 truths and a lie. Okay, I'll do that one: 2 truths and a lie. So you can do something like this, something fun, right? And then to go ahead and save it, come here at the top right and click on this check mark. That will save it to your profile. So if I come here and click on complete profile again, let me just show you. If I come here, it has been saved. Really that easy and simple.